In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use secondhand in Minecraft in mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can equip an item on the second hand, which most people refer to as the left hand if you are playing Minecraft on any mobile device. So this left hand or second hand can be used when you open your inventory, and you will find it here right underneath your armor slots. Now I am on creative mode, but of course this is also going to work if you are on survival. Now you also have this slot available on Java Edition, just like Bedrock, but the difference is that in Java you can place anything on this slot, but for Bedrock only specific items will be available to be used here. The main one, of course, is the shield, so you can equip a shield, and every time that you crouch, the shield will be put up. So if anything hits you from the front where you are looking towards, it is going to be absorbed by the shield, so arrows, melee attacks, and so on. Now, the next item that you can equip are going to be firework rockets. Initially, you might think that they can be used with your elytra, but I tried and it seems like this is not their usage. As it stands today, you can only use them in your second hand if you have a crossbow. As you can see, you can load the crossbow with the firework that you have equipped, and then you can shoot the crossbow, and you will see the firework effect go off. I know that you can use firework rockets with an elytra if you hold them in your main hand like this, but it seems like for whatever reason it doesn't work if you have them in your offhand. So you can only use fireworks if you have them equipped like this on your main hand. Besides this, there's not much else that you can equip. If you try to place blocks, you will notice that it doesn't work. If you try to place torches, it doesn't work. So the main function of the second hand is going to be to use shields. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us for the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.